Welcome back to Mouse to House Campers, folks. Happy New Year on this cold day in January. Here today we have a 2006, nearly a 2007. It was registered the 13th of December 2006 by Motability as a wheelchair access vehicle. The first owner had it for 8 years. That's when Compact Campers took over and they converted it, fully converted it, professional conversion in 2015. Just do a little walk around the bodywork. As I hope you can see by the video, she's in lovely condition. Incidentally, so only 2 owners from new, and she's only covered 79,000 miles. This engine and chassis are well known in the industry for 100,000 plus with no problems. Well used by taxi drivers. Most of these have done over 100,000 miles, so it's low mileage at 79,000 miles. The private number plate is included in the sale. Or you may remove that free of charge with DVLA and put it back on a 56 prefix. But as I say, the number plate's on it. So bodywork is fantastic. There's not much to report negative in any shape or form. I think I've found a few, well, a little bit of a stone chip on the front bonnet. And that's about it. There you go. Just want to touch it up with some better matching paint. The last owner barely used the conversion. Just used it as their car, and they only covered 9,000 miles. So we'll just pop the bonnet. Lovely condition. Matching seats for the rear upholstery. We've got overmats underneath. The carpets are like new. Lovely wood effect dash. Centre armrest, beautiful condition seats, absolutely spotless. We'll have a quick look at the paperwork. So it started out life in 2006 as a Motability vehicle, was supplied by the government with wheelchair access. The first owner had it for 3 years. Then they decided to keep it on until 2015. Unfortunately, they've passed away and there was no paperwork trail, so it had to go through probate. Compact Campers purchased the vehicle. There's two former keepers, as I say, in 2015, so there was no paperwork or service history. Motability vehicles have to be fully serviced by Fiat, so it will have been serviced, obviously. They had it from new up till 70,000 miles in 2015. A few old MOTs, a few bits and bobs of service, a HPI certificate. So just for your own peace of mind, I will include a full service. In fact, it's booked in next week to have a full service, an MOT, even though it doesn't need an MOT for another 6 months. But I'll get another MOT completed, so I'll have 12 months MOT. Advisory free, so whatever the garage may say or may not say, it will be carried out. The last MOT never had any advisories. Feel free to check the MOT history online, K90FJC. Now, after a mileage check, as I say, it's on 79,000 miles now. The first MOT, the inspector put the wrong MOT mileage on. That was in 2009. But on the same day, you can check that he'd put the correct mileage in immediately straight away. So all the mileage is verified, but there will show forever, I'm afraid, a mileage discrepancy. That's back in 2009 on the first MOT, but you'll see the correct mileage was rectified immediately and put on the government website on the same day. So you've got access to your fresh water. That's the fresh water tank, the wastewater tank, a full-size Cala gas bottle. On the passenger side, let's pop some lights in, or on rather. So we've got a full control panel here. The leisure battery, incidentally, is under the passenger seat. I've just operated, as you can see there, the pop-down DVD player. You can put a USB stick in there. It's got blackout film on the windows, so only one-way viewing on the windows. However, it has got the facility, as you can see, curtain rails. Nice space above the cab for bedding or extra storage. Again, curtain rail, extra lighting. So you've got your 2-burner hob. Running cold water. Doesn't look like it's been used. So the last owner bought it from Compact Campers 4 years ago, and the leisure part does not look like it's been used. It is just fantastic. So you've got the sliding table here. A good old rock and roll bed. It's got 2 rear seat belts. Underbed storage. Storage underneath the kitchen sink. Nice condition floor with an overmat. More storage. Nice headroom on this, with it being an ex-Motability access vehicle. In fact, the hookup cable is brand spanking new, it's never been used. It's even got a converter to mains, the mains fuse box there, as well as the 240 plugs. Socket, as you can see, it's been fully lined and insulated. It's got central locking, electric windows, rear wiper, power steering. So I'll just do a quick recap, folks, and a quick walk around. So we've got a December 2006 Fiat Doblo 1.3 Multijet diesel. Only 2 owners from new. 79,000 miles. It was professionally converted by Compact Campers in 2015. The rear conversion has barely been used. It's in fantastic condition inside and out. It's booted next week for a full MOT, a full service. Bills will be provided. And again, if the MOT requires any advisory items, I will ask them to complete those jobs. I'll be more than happy to deliver it anywhere in the country. I'll drive it personally myself. All I ask, if you're happy, and I can't see any reason why not on this particular example, is a lift to the nearest train station. I can't be any fairer or confident than that. Just pick up the phone, 0798 526 1078. I repeat, 0798 526 1078. 9 AM till 9 PM, folks, 7 days a week. Feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That will notify you of any new campers coming into stock. We have got quite a few coming into stock in the next couple of weeks. A 2002 VW T4 2.5 TDI 1 owner. We've got a 2003 New Venture Fiat Ducati panel van conversion, and a Mirage Auto Sleeper Luxar A-Class. That is a 1999 vintage, I believe. There to name a few of the camper vans coming into stock shortly. Thanks for listening again, folks. I'll endeavour to answer any sensible questions. Just pick up the phone or feel free to email valentinecars@gmail.com.